Greetings. Today we want to discuss about scale and bearing. Tiri kuda kunyanya kufocus on bearing, but there's something we cannot run away from. Kana tichida kutaura pamusoro bearing, we should have a working understanding of the compass. So the first subtopic we are going to be addressing is the compass. The compass is a very fascinating tool which is used to tell us the direction. So magadzirirwo akaitwa compass, this is not a geography lesson, nor is it a science lesson. Saka we are not going to look much deeply into how a compass works and all the nitty-gritties around the functionality of a compass. But there is something we should always know, there's something we should appreciate in order for us to have a working knowledge of a compass. So the fact we should all embrace, ndeyekuti the pointer on a compass always points in the north direction. This is what we should know. But the pointer in a compass always points in the north direction. What might be the reason behind this? Nemhaka yei pointer yecampass ichingonongedzera kunorth. Apa tinenge takutarisa nhau dzemagnetic field, the magnetic field of the earth, takutarisa the north pole and the south pole where the magnetic field is concentrated. Saka the pointer of the compass always points to north. Pamusana pekuti mashandiro anoita compass inoshanda nemagnetic field. So if you are interested, maybe you can go and read the physics around magnetism. Ndokuti understand the reason why the pointer in a compass always points in the north direction. Sailors and those who are explorers, they call it the true north. Like kunopointiwa that pointer in a compass, they say this is the true north. But kuti true north is more like it's marketplace banter. It's not technical, neither is it used as per science. Saka taziva kuti the point of a compass always points in the north direction. What we now need to know is takufanira kuziva kuti what is a compass. Saka a compass is an instrument used to tingati measure direction kana kuti to show direction. Now ndeipi direction inoratidzwa necampass? Saka we are going to have mainly two drawings which are like this. We have the pointer always pointing in the north direction. Then the opposite of the north is called the south. Then we have a line here. These two lines, they meet perpendicularly. They meet at 90 degrees. This is very important. Kunoku kunonzi ku-east, ndokunobuda nezuva, ndokunoitika zvakawanda. Ndokuno kwatinonamata takatarisa kana tiri vekumasowe namwe makereke ku-east. Then the opposite of east ngechinzi west. Saka this is a compass. But panapa iri kutiratidza 4 points. These are called the main points. We can also call them the main directions. So these are the main directions which are shown by a compass. North, the opposite of north being south. East, the opposite of east being west. To understand this, we also have to know kuti kuna anonzi secondary points kana kuti ma-secondary directions. So let us put them down tuone. We still have a pointer pointing in the north direction, the opposite of north, south. Then panapa, this is the east and this is the west. If we have a bisector of this 90-degree angle, kurati line rinopinda nepanapa perfectly, kuti kureva kuti panapa inenge yatova 40 degrees apa. And pakati pa north na east tine inonzi northeast, pakati pa south na west tine southwest. Then another bisector, line irofunga wa straight. In Malayan I'm going to straight because this is electronic drawing. It's a little different from draw paper, but try to have your lines straight even when you are drawing by freehand. Pakati pa north na west ndiyo northwest, pakati pa south na east inonzi southeast, like this. Saka ano aya northwest, northeast, southwest na southeast ndo anonzi machi, ndo anonzi, these are 4 secondary points kana kuti chi, kana kuti directions. Saka kuva secondary zvinoreva kuti tiri kumaderiva from the main 4 points. Saka mchiona kuti panapa tina kuti inonzi east north, tatinonzi northeast, kureva kuti north according to the laws of precedence north yakakosha because north is a main point kana kuti a main direction. But we are referencing manje takutarisa pakati pa north na east toti aiwa iyi ndo inonzi chi northeast, pakati pa north na west toti iyi ndo inonzi chi northwest, pakati pa south na east tine southeast, pakati pa south na west tine southwest. You understand? Saka awo anonzi ma secondary directions, they are also 4. If you go into geography and you start studying about maps and zvine zvekuita necampus, you might actually have mamwe vana northeast, southwest, but in mathematics, especially at this level, we are satisfied with only 8. Are they called cardinal points? Yes, they are called cardinal points. So we have ordinal points, we also have cardinal points. I leave this as a task. I'm not going to explain it. It's immaterial to what we are learning, but ndoda kuti muno researcha kuti anonzi ma cardinal points ndeapi, also research kuti anonzi ma ordinal points ndeapi. If you have the answers, please, you can post them in the comments section for the benefit of all. Saka zvataita izvi tatointroduce the campus sufficiently well, enough information to get us through. Let us now discuss about bearing. Tava kuda kutaura pamusoro pe-bearing. Saka kuti ti-understand the bearing, ndambotaura kuti an understanding of the compass is very important. You are going to soon notice how important this understanding of the compass is. So here what we want to do is, we want to imagine we have 2 points. Tine point iri panapa, point inonzi B, tobva taita point iri panapa, point iyi inonzi A, saka tina A, tina B zvakare. Tobva taisa a compass pana A panapa, saka compass yedu ichi, of course, inenge ichipointa in the what? The north direction like this. Tobva taisa another compass pana B panapa, so this compass again it's pointing in the north direction. Tobva tati, we want to understand something. Tiri kuda kuziva the position of A relative to B. Tiri kuda kuziva zvakare the position of B relative to A. Saka we have to choose a reference point. when we choose a reference point, tobva tati we now need to know the position of another point relative to that particular point. What do I mean? Let us say we need to know the position of B asi tiri kuda kuita reference from A kana kuti tiri kuda kutoredzera kubva kuna A. What we are going to say is panapa we are going to say B is in the direction northwest of A. B is in the direction northwest of A. Zvinoreve tinoda kuziva the position of B asi tiri kureferensa. Okay, tinoda kuziva the position of B but our reference point is going to be A. Saka ngatitiita toda kuziva kuti B ari papi but takamira pana A. Ndozvandiri kuzama kutsanangura pana. Chirungu chogona kutikurira sometimes. It's a second language. We are Shona people. We are Shona speaking Zimbabweans. Saka takamira pana A. Toda kuziva kuti B ari kupi. So kana takamira pana A panapa, tikadrowa tuma dotted lines tunotu, tunonongedzera kuna B like this, tuma dotted lines utu. Then panapa, tikada kupedzisa kakambasi kedu aka. Kunoku kuna east, kuno kuna west, kuno kuna south. Saka direction iyi inenge irichi northwest. So patati isusu B is in the direction northwest of A. Yatiri kuti of A ino ishi. Zvoreva kuti A ndiyechi reference. A ndiye reference. Ndipo patiri kuita refer from. Ndipo patakamira. Uri kuunderstanda zviri kuitika panapa? Saka kana A iri iyo reference manje, there is something we should know kuti kana takuda kunyora zvatataura apo in terms of bearing, tinenge takuti isusu the bearing of B from A is northwest. Again, tinoti from the reference. So what we should know panapa ndechekuti it's always from the reference. And kana chiti reference tirongoreva starting point. You understand? It's from the reference. It is from the starting point. The bearing of B from A is northwest. B is in the direction northwest of A. Tomadaniro atinozita. So it's quite easy, especially with practice, you come to make sense of it. Okay, let us now say kuti aiwa. This time, tamira pana B panapa. Takamira pana B. Saka B, it's now our starting point. B, it's now our reference. Takuda kunongedzera kuti A ari kupi. A ari pasi apo. Okay, tikadraw ma dotted lines. Akanongedzera kuna A. Aya. Can we see kuti, then of course, tofanga kupedzisa panapa. This will be east, west, and south. Can you see kuti this direction, it's actually southeast. Saka because that direction is southeast, can you now write kuti A ari kupi? And you can pause panapa and try, then come back to see if your answer and my are relatives to each other. Saka panapa tieta kuti chi? Tinenge takuti A was ndo yatakanongedzera is in the direction. A is in the direction southeast of B. Andika? Kana takuda kunyora iri bearing, tinoti the bearing of A from B is southeast, like this. Of B inoi nekuti from B zviri kutiratidza our starting point. Saka starting point ndio inonyorwa kwekupedzisira. Vekutanga ndivo vachava vekupedzisira. You understand? Saka starting point ndio inenge chinzi of. Saka panapa patati tinoti from reference, we can equally say tinoti futi of reference. Of reference kana kuti of the starting point. Saka kunzwisisa kwatingaita kwese when it comes to bearing kuri pakapeji kakaka. Zvatanyora pabhodhi izvozvi, it's the starting point, the foundation of bearing. Of course, kana takumuma examinations, it's very rare kuti vauye kuzo. This is assumed knowledge. Working knowledge yatichawana under this topic tichaita in our next lesson, patinenge takudiscuss about what? Patinenge takudiscuss about the three-figure bearing. That is now the applicable information which we now take into SIMSEC. But without this, zvakafanana nekuda kugona kusolva ma simultaneous equations, iwe usingatogoni kusolva an equation. Ma understand? Saka our highlight panapa iringotiratidza kuti iro varari kuti bearing renge chingotaura pamusoro pechi direction. Mapaona? Alright. Saka lesson redu ratopera. As is our tradition, exercise yamuchaita inenge iri exercise 20A. Chaiwana kupi? Chaiwana mu New General Mathematics book number 2. Inenge iri pa chapter 20 asi iri page 153. So it's page 153, chapter 20, NGM 2, exercise 20A. Ndoda tumite number 1 kusvika number 6. Muchi answer in both ways. Because yakafunza yo ichiti A from B ikazoti B from A. So I want you to answer this one. Muchingonyora ma bearings chete. Kurati don't write it is in this direction of A, cannot in this direction of B. Chingonyorai ari ma bearings chete. So this concludes our lesson. If you have anything to ask, use the comments section. But if you need extra lessons, you need to join the Math Hub. You can contact us on WhatsApp via these two numbers. The other one is Zimbabwean, coded +263. This is South African, which is coded +27. If you need to call, you utilize the South African number. Otherwise, thank you for your patience to enjoy my ranting throughout this lesson, and have a nice day.